2014 was a great year for the Tampa Bay Beaches Chamber of Commerce. While offering outstanding services for our current members, we welcome many new members into our ranks. Representing over 800 businesses, the Beaches Chamber is becoming more diverse and energetic every day.
This chamber has developed relationships, not only between businesses, but between the communities and these businesses. They've interacted well. They've brought in special events, special services. They've given many people a resource that they never had before. And remarkably, you know, that membership, if you were here a decade ago, was modest at best. I think the numbers have tripled under the current management and Robin. And so I can't say enough about how successful they've not only been, but how they've made others and other businesses a success along the way.